Hey, it's Peter Voogd, author of the best-selling book, 6 Months to Six Figures, and founder of the prestigious Gamechangers Academy. And I'm just here thinking, I get questions every single day about how to succeed, how to gain clarity, how to level up, how to build a life on my terms, how to travel. And here's what I've realized with a lot of studying and due diligence and the last 12 years of just being in the trenches. It's never been easier to succeed as an entrepreneur, to build a life on your terms, and to get to a whole different level of freedom, significance, peace of mind, and financial success. If you have the right network, if you have the right roadmap, and if you have a good circle of influence and someone that can actually help you level up and cut your learning curve in half. But here's the scary thing. It can also be the toughest time in human history, and it can also be an extremely big challenge and nearly impossible to succeed as an entrepreneur if you don't have the right network, if you have Superman syndrome where you're trying to do everything on your own and you aren't investing back in yourself. So you have to choose based on what you want. Because if I ask 100 entrepreneurs if they're gonna level up the next 6 months, all 100 say, of course I am. But if you fast forward 6 months, maybe 5 out of 100 actually get to that next level because they're the ones that invest in themselves. They're the ones that level up their circle of influence and get around higher level people. And they're the ones that actually learn to delegate, duplicate, hire, train, and only focus on their strengths. Because the best way to predict someone's next 6 months of success, the best way, not by words, people think it's words, not by words, not even by actions, it's by looking at their previous 6 months. Because habits trump inspiration. And if you want to change your next 6 months and make them different and more effective with better results the next 6 months, you got to change what you're thinking about daily, change who you're around, and make sure you're operating with clarity. That's one of the reasons we created this academy. Because when I was 22, 23, I was investing in everything I could and nothing was giving me real results. Nothing was tactical. A lot of it was just mindset stuff, which you need, but you also need the tactics and the proven strategy. So if you're looking to level up, if you don't feel like your intelligence matches your bank account, if you actually are one of the 3 to 5% of entrepreneurs that want to rise above the noise and go to the next level. By the way, there's noise in the background. We don't care. This is authentic. I'm just speaking from the gut and from the heart, no script. But if you really do want to see if you have what it takes to be a real game changer, we have guest speakers every month. We've had Blair. We have Elon Musk coming up. We've had Gary Vaynerchuck. We've had Eric Thomas. We've had Ariana Huffington, Tim Grover, Grant Cardone. We have Randall Pich coming up, Ed Milet. We just had Tom Bilyeu. But you get a proven group of successful entrepreneurs. Like literally your network is elevated overnight. You get game changer calls every single month. You get live trainings. And you have to qualify. There's 4 different levels. So my challenge to you is you have nothing to lose. There's also a guarantee. We prove our results, but there's nothing else to touch the level of content that we have. And right now we have a flawless reputation. And the reason we do have an application process where you have to apply is because too many people talk. Too many people say they're going to succeed, but they don't really want to execute or invest in themselves. So we have a flawless reputation with Entrepreneur Magazine, Forbes, Huffington Post, Success Magazine. And we have over 550 testimonials because we protect our academy and we protect our culture. So if you feel like you have, now this might not be for you. It's probably not for most people that watch this. So hopefully you got some value. But if you actually have that nagging pull and you want to get that next level going and you feel like there's a new level for you, you can't get to the next level with who you are now. You have to reinvent yourself. And this is the best way to cut your learning curve in half. And here's my challenge. Once you apply, I'm excited to connect with you. You're going to connect with our team. Maybe it's not for you, but you'll still get value and you'll still see if it is for you. And our team will help you. But here's the deal. Most people wait till their back's against the wall. Don't do that. Most people wait till they have bad health or they're in the hospital to change their health. Most people wait till their wife wants to divorce them to change. Most people wait till their kids don't know who they are to want to hang out with their kids. Don't wait like most people. Don't wait till your back's against the wall. Now matters more than ever. Most people spend the first half of their life saying they're too young and the second half saying they're too old. Don't be like most people. Apply today and we'll see you on the other side.